Question number 1. The most common site for a pressure ulcer is. The correct option is D. Sacrum. Question number 2. A patient with Parkinson's disease typically shows. The correct option is A. Tremors. Question number 3. The normal ejection fraction of the heart is. The correct option is C. 50 to 70%. Question number 4. Which chemotherapy drug is known as to cause cardiotoxicity? The correct option is B. Dexorobaxine. Question number 5. The most common side effect of radiotherapy is. The correct option is A. Skin erythema. Question number 6. The best position for a patient with increased intracranial pressure is. The correct option is C. Semi-Fowler's. Question number 7. The most common site of hip fracture in the elderly is. The correct option is B. Femoral neck. Question number 8. The first reflex to disappear in a newborn is. The correct option is A. Moro reflex. Question number 9. The best method to prevent neonatal hypothermia is. The correct option is D. Skin to skin contact. Question number 10. The drug of choice for neonatal jaundice is. The correct option is A. Phototherapy. Question number 11. The safest painkiller for a pregnant woman is. The correct option is D. Paracetamol. Question number 12. The normal oxygen saturation in a healthy adult is. The correct option is D. 95 to 100%. Question number 13. The drug used to treat deep vein thrombosis is. The correct option is A. Warfarin. Question number 14. The most common type of shock in trauma patients is. The correct option is B. Septic C. Hypothalamic shock. Question number 15. The most common cause of diarrhea in children is. The correct option is A. Rotavirus. Question number 16. The first sign of cystic fibrosis in a newborn is. The correct option is D. Meconium ileus. Question number 17. The most common cause of death in ICU patients is. The correct option is B. Septic shock. Question number 18. Which fluid is best for a patient with hypothalamic shock? The correct option is A. Normal saline. Question number 19. Which of the following is the longest bone in the human body? The correct option is C. Femur. Question number 20. The first vaccine given to a newborn in India is. The correct option is B. BCG. Question number 21. The main neurotransmitter involved in Alzheimer's disease is. The correct option is D. Acetylcholine. Question number 22. Which drug is used to treat hypertensive crisis? The correct option is C. Sodium nitroside. Question number 23. The most common cancer in males worldwide is. The correct option is D. Prostate cancer. Question number 24. The staging system used for breast cancer is. The correct option is a TNM system. Question number 25. The first sign of hypothalamic shock is. The correct option is C. Tachycardia. Question number 26. The best oxygen delivery device for a COPD patient is. The correct option is B. Venturi mask. Question number 27. The best treatment for compartment syndrome is. The correct option is B. Physiotomy. Question number 28. The most common cause of acute pancreatitis is. The correct option is D. Gallstones. Question number 29. The best diagnostic test for peptic ulcer disease is. The correct option is B. Endoscopy. Question number 30. The most common site for colorectal cancer is. The correct option is C. Sigmoid colon. Question number 31. The most common cause of chronic kidney disease is. The correct option is B. Diabetes mellitus. Question number 32. The normal duration of a menstrual cycle is. The correct option is C. 28 to 35 days. Question number 33. The best position for a pregnant woman with hypotension is. The correct option is B. Left lateral. Question number 34. The best method to assess hydration status in a newborn is. The correct option is A. Urine output. Question number 35. Which electrolyte imbalance is seen in Addison's disease? The correct option is A. Hyperkalemia. Question number 36. The most common psychiatric disorder worldwide is. The correct option is A. Depression. Question number 37. The primary treatment for alcohol withdrawal is. The correct option is D. Benzodiazepine. Question number 38. The corpus luteum primarily secrete which hormone? The correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 39. The most common benign tumor of the uterus is. The correct option is a fibroid. Question number 40. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? The correct option is B. Fallopian tube. Question number 31. The drug of choice for acute angina is. The correct option is B. Nitroglycerin. Question number 42. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels during fasting? The correct option is C. Glucagon. Question number 43. Which medication is commonly used for treating anxiety? The correct option is B. Diazepam. Question number 44. Which artery is commonly used for checking an adult's pulse? The correct option is a radial artery. Question number 45. The angle for a subcutaneous injection is. The correct option is C. 45 degree. Question number 46. Which artery is used for measuring blood pressure? The correct option is C. Brachial. Question number 47. The best site for subcutaneous insulin injection is. The correct option is C. Abdomen. Question number 48. The antidote for heparin overdose is. The correct option is B. Protamine sulfate. Question number 49. The normal central venous pressure range is. The correct option is B. 2 to 8 mm of Hg. Question number 50. The antidote for overdose of warfarin is. The correct option is A. Vitamin K.